Are you guys looking for an affordable townhouse community here in the northwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, we are going to be touring D.R. Horton's newest townhouse community, Tribute Trails, and we will specifically be touring the Plan 1309, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with Sqft Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build community here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is April 7th. And we are going to be touring D.R. Horton's newest townhouse community. It's called Tribute Trails. Now, Tribute Trails has been up for about a month now, okay? Now, this is going to be a townhouse community. Just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're probably about like 25 minutes, 30 minutes northwest of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. We're pretty close to Summerlin. We're just probably like 10, 15 minutes up north from Summerlin. Okay, still easy access to the 215 freeway. It's a great master plan community, you guys. But yes, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 4 different floor plans right now, all ranging from 1,309 square feet to 1,430 square feet. They're all going to be 3 bedrooms. Most of them are going to be a 2-car garage. Only one of them is going to be a 1-car garage. And guys, the greatest thing about this is the price is going to range from $354 all the way up to $372. Now, this is D.R. Horton. That is out the door pricing. That includes lot premiums, like upgrades. Like what you see is what you get. You even get included refrigerator, washer, dryer, and the blinds are included. Okay, so the only things that are not included is going to be like the curtains, the furniture, like the accent walls that you see. And another good news though too is it's getting so busy here in Las Vegas. This might be the only D.R. Horton community right now that doesn't have an interest list, okay? I think it's because it's a little bit newer, but any other community right now in Las Vegas, it's starting to get pretty busy, so there is an interest list. Right here, they do have availability, so definitely give me a call, shoot me a text. But a couple things about the community as well, guys. So the HOA is going to be $171 a month. That's going to include, it's a gated neighborhood. You're going to have a park. You have access to a pool, trails. There's going to be pickleball. Okay. Also, there is a SID assessment. Now, the SID assessment is you're going to pay $116 every 6 months. And the total balance is $3,200. Okay. So once the total balance is completely paid off, you no longer have to pay that. If you're still curious to know, I did a little short on what a SID is, so you could check it out on the screen. They're gonna have 206 units here, and that's about it. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Plan 1309. Now the Plan 1309 is going to be an inside unit, okay? Now this is also 1,309 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and it's priced at $354,990. Okay, now when you see the price of $354,990, that's out the door. That's everything included. That's when I say everything, that's including refrigerator, washer, dryer, and the blinds. Okay, so the only thing you'd have to do really when you move in is buy furniture and your ceiling fans. So you got the video doorbell, that's included. Okay, so welcome in. So you have a nice open floor plan. You do have 8-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. Okay. Great thing about, what you see is what you get. There's going to be no carpet on the first floor, which is great. I know most buyers like that. So you have a good sized living room right over here, your dining room, and then your kitchen. Okay. Looks like right over there, you're going to have your coat closet. Now, as far as the quartz goes and the cabinets, from what I normally see, you're going to have like D.R. Horton, because they build spec homes, right? They're either going to put this quartz or a white quartz in your kitchen. Okay. Now, as far as the cabinets, they normally use either white or gray. Right. So you're going to get the 2-panel doors, the chrome handles. Okay. This is going to be your powder room. Now, anytime you see accent walls, those won't be included. It's just going to be a white wall. Okay. So D.R. Horton model homes are very colorful, but they also want their buyers to remember their model homes for being kind of like, you know, they think it's good marketing. So, but when you see like the pink backsplash right there, it'll just be white. So yeah, dishwasher. So you got the oven, the electric oven, stovetop, refrigerator, all included. Now again, all electric, no gas, okay? So you got cabinets right here. Okay, so you got the included refrigerator. Is nice. Okay, this is going to be the included oven that you get, as well as the Whirlpool microwave. And then right here, you're going to have your pantry. Okay, so it's a walk-in pantry, and then you have room to like store stuff like right over here. Oh, I guess the switch is going to be right there. Okay, and you also get this, they'll give you this pure water filter. Now, set this up. I think the first filter they give you will be free, but anytime you want, if you want them to maintenance it or you want other filters, you would have to pay after that. Okay, so this is under the sink. So this is included too. You got this pull-out faucet, okay, which is nice. You're gonna have the single basin, stainless steel sink. All right. Yeah, most standard sinks and new builds are gonna be the dual basin. Okay, but most people like the single basin sink. Okay, you're gonna have your smoke CO2 detector right there. And then you'll have your coat closet. So yeah, we'll head upstairs. Now guys, if you haven't done so already, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe, like, notification button. And then also too, if you are looking for a new build community and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit to help you with the process. But if you're going to be using if you have another realtor, that's fine too. At least let them know, make sure they go with you on your very first visit. The thing is, if you go by yourself and you register with the builder, when I say register, that means they get your name, your email, and your phone number. They won't let you have agent representation down the road. And the only problem with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests. And we look after your best interests. So it's very important you get representation. Plus the builders pay the realtor fees. So, you know, no brainer, win-win. Okay. We try our hardest, do everything that we can for you as far as like getting you the best deal, negotiating and whatnot. So this is the guest bedroom. You're going to have 2 panel doors, all the doors, that's going to be included. Okay. Chrome hardware right here. You also have, this is for the, this to regulate the airflow. Okay. You're going to have that above all the rooms except for the primary bedroom. And you'll have this duct right here. Okay. So it does regulate airflow, but it's just more private, right? Because right over here, as you can see, sound could travel through. Okay. So these rooms, I would say, are, yeah, closer to a 10 by 10. Maybe like a 10 by 11. Okay. Now again, this area is really nice. I mean, it is you are paying like a SID assessment and the HOA, but it comes with a lot of amenities for sure. And this might be the only D.R. Horton community in the whole Las Vegas city right now that doesn't have like an interest list. They do have availability. I think it's because they are just brand new. As far as the area is really good and everything. Okay. I don't know if I covered that room. So this is going to be the full bath. Okay. So you got the shower tub. Okay. Fiberglass. You have your toilet right here. Okay. You're going to have your sink. Washer and dryer. Washer and dryer is going to be included. Again, you know, with a washer, dryer, refrigerator, and the blinds included, that off the bat already saves you like $5,000 that you wouldn't have to spend when you move into a new build home. Because most builders, I mean, you have to still buy that, and that could be, you have to buy that in addition to your furniture, and it could be a lot, right? Okay, so welcome to the bathroom. This is the primary bath. So you do have the single sink. Again, they are going to have that same type of quartz, but I think it's gray downstairs. Okay, then you have that walk-in shower as well. Okay. So this is your primary bedroom, king size bed. So you could kind of see how much room that you have. So it is pretty spacious here. Okay. And then right here, you're gonna have your closet. So you got your little walk-in closet. So decent size, your smart panel box. Okay, this is where you would set up your internet modem and your router. Okay. See, and we're right by the mountains too, so. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the Plan 1309. If you have any questions, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, do me a favor, shoot me a text, give me a call. Until then, I will catch you all next video.